up, guys? Welcome to the channel in Auto Addiction. Be changing out the wheels tonight on this Sierra pickup that you guys seen on the channel a lot.
About time.
So haven't really went over the truck very much, but it's lifted on a super lift. It's a two-wheel drive, but it's lifted like 9 inches in the front, about 6.5, 7 in the back. It's got Fox shocks all the way around. Everything's been chrome deleted, color matched on it. All the headlights were pulled apart on it, so they're all painted inside, color match. It's got switchback LEDs on this strip right here and this strip. It's got HID headlights. It's got the switchbacks up here in the mirrors. It's got tow mirrors with the switchbacks. Everything's been paint to match on the mirrors too. These were all chrome before, so it's pretty sweet. Again, it's got Fox shocks. It's got different upper control arms, so we keep that angle nice. He's got LEDs coming for the fog lights, which will be black housing. The grill's been taken apart. Everything on the grill's been color matched. He's got the carbon insert on the GMC emblem. So right now he can clear 35, 1250, 22s. It's like a negative 44 offset on the hostile wheels. Clear those, no problem turning. Didn't have to cut his bumper. Didn't have to really trim very much on the fender flare, just a little bit right here.
I just cleared that when I had the 14 wides on it.
And that was when he had 14 wides on it before. It's got amp research steps on it. It's got the little shorty antenna. So one thing he's been wanting to do for a while is change out the wheels on the truck. So we finally got another set of wheels for it. Just picked them up today in Orlando, thanks to Jeepers Den. Give those guys a shout if you're in Florida. Jeepers Den Truck Accessories are in Orlando, Florida, right off Highway 50, off the 408 East-West Expressway. So they hooked us up. All right, what else he's got done to it? So it's got dual exhaust on it. The rear emblem also took it off, had a painted color match. It's got the roll and lock bed cover on it. Stereo system's been upgraded. It's got all, was it Alpine, Matt? Infinity component set. So it sounds super good. Rear gears, you got it rear gears are 410s with a locker. It's got the G2 diff cover. So that definitely helps out turning those 35s programmed so that way it can run, speedometer stays the same. His MPGs are still good. So we're gonna get this bad boy lifted up in the air, get cranking on some wheels, and show you guys what the final outcome is. Can't show you guys the wheels yet, but I guarantee you you'll love these wheels. I don't see a lot of people running them. I actually was looking at them for my truck, not this particular style, but we found a set for this truck, so we're gonna get it mounted up. We're gonna get these 35s swapped over. We're still sticking with, I can't tell you too much yet, but we're gonna get working on it, and see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, you ready to check it out? Here's a new stance look for Daytona Truck Meet. BAM! Rolling 20-inch stock Denali wheels on some low pro tires. That's how we're gonna rock it this year. Daytona Truck Meet be a little different. What you think? Nah, just kidding guys, we're still working on it, but I just bought the wheels back. You might have saw them on a previous video on the 06 Sierra Turbo. So I just ended up buying the wheels back from the guy. He went some black wheels, so just messing with you guys. But this will be the upcoming, I'm sure, someday, looking like a monster truck with rolling on some small tires. But all right, guys, we're gonna get back to work, doing some mounting over here. We're gonna get back to it, and then we'll reveal the new wheels for the 2014 lifted Sierra. Stay tuned. Alright guys, what is up? We're just finished up on the truck, just cleaning up the shop. About to reveal the truck to you guys in a second. I just want to say these wheels are pretty awesome. They're affordable, they don't cost too much. You know, versus a forged wheel or something like that. They're pretty reasonable price. The quality on them is pretty spot on. We ordered them for the Sierra. They are a hub-centric wheel, so that's pretty sweet. Hub-centric. They come with a billet center cap versus a plastic cheap cap. So for being like a cast wheel instead of like a forged aluminum wheel, they are really good quality. The finish on them is really nice looking. So right now we're just cleaning up all the tools. One thing is, if you want to keep a nice shop, man, you gotta keep all your tools organized. Especially in this job where you have to make money, then you gotta know where your tools are. So I always try to clean up after we're done with the project. We got this Yukon right here, dropped a lifter and a cam, so putting lifters and cam in it. Hopefully have that one done tomorrow. It's already going back together with it. So got one of the manager's 66 Chevelles in here. That thing's getting worked on, so. But yeah guys, so we're cleaning up the shop. About to unveil this truck. Stay tuned. Give me a couple minutes of your time. If you like the channel, please hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 1,000. We're gonna see the Sierra at Daytona Truck Meet, my Ford F-250 at Daytona Truck Meet, and my lifted E150 van will be at Daytona Truck Meet. So I have all three of them there. I'm also trying to get that single cab short bed to get there, and trying to get Dirty Max Jack from Enthusiasts to come down. So it'd be really cool to meet up with him. He's a really successful YouTuber, does a lot of cool truck builds, so definitely would be cool to see him, meet him, and get some pointers from him, man. I mean, the guy's blowing up. You know, he's a really good influence in my life. So appreciate that. And further ado, check out the truck. wraps it up for this video. Again, these are Asante 22 by 14. They're Asante off-road. Not too many guys running them yet. I think they're a sick wheel. Finish on them sick. Said this is all like billet. It's not plastic. These are actually screws. They're just not fake. All the way around. So it's got a sick lip on it. So he's running 22 12s, like a negative 44 offset, 35 1250 22. The Nitto Ridge grapplers on it. So guys, check out Asante, man. They got some really cool wheels out there. Asante, if you're watching this, I want to put some wheels like this on my F250 project. So sponsors welcome. But yeah, I definitely recommend these wheels. They're super sweet. Don't everybody go and buy them though, because we want to be kind of unique. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Comment below. Appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a great day. See you guys on the next video.